In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import email contacts in Systeme.io. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily and efficiently get your contact list into Systeme.io without any hitches. First things first, we need to access your Systeme.io dashboard. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in www.systeme.io dashboard/login. This will take you directly to the login page of the platform. Once there, you'll need to enter your login email and password. If you haven't done this in a while and can't remember your details, make sure to try retrieving them using Systeme.io's password recovery options. After entering your credentials, click on the sign in button. This will log you into the Systeme.io dashboard, where you'll see a variety of options and tools available for you. Don't worry, it might seem overwhelming at first, but we'll break it down into manageable steps. Now that you're logged in, look for the Contacts tab. To find this, hover your mouse over the CRM section and you should see a drop-down menu appear. In this menu, click on Contacts. This is where you'll manage all your email contacts and perform the import process. With the Contacts section open, you'll want to look for the Import Contacts button. Clicking this will initiate the import process, allowing you to bring in your existing contact list into Systeme.io. Before doing this, make sure you have your contact list saved as a CSV file on your computer. CSV, or comma-separated values, format is the standard for importing data like email contacts, as it ensures all your information is organized correctly. Once you've clicked the Import Contacts button, you'll be prompted to choose a file. Navigate through your computer's directories to locate your CSV file. When selecting your file, double check to ensure it's the correct one and that it contains all the contacts you wish to import. After you've chosen your file, the next step is to confirm the import. To finalize the process, click on Import. This action uploads your contact list into Systeme.io. Depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed, this process might take a few moments. It's important not to close your browser or navigate away from the page to ensure a smooth import process. Once completed, you'll receive a notification confirming the successful import of your contacts, and they will now be accessible in the Contacts section. And there you have it, you've successfully imported your email contacts into Systeme.io. This process is designed to be straightforward, but always double check your contacts list to make sure everything transferred correctly. If you encounter any issues, Systeme.io's support team is just a click away to assist you.